Alright, good day and welcome. In this lesson, we'll be calculating time period, specifically using logs. Now take note, this is a new concept for this year. It's taught this year and therefore we definitely have to test it in exams. Right, Ntombi Zwane invests 15,000 Rand, 9% interest compounded monthly. How long does it take her to triple her money? So she's investing 15,000 to triple it. 15 times 3 gives me 45,000, right? N is what we're looking for. My interest rate is 9%, so 100 divided, or 9 divided by 100, 0.09 over 12, which gives me 0.0075. She's investing, so A equal P, 1 plus I to the power N. Take note, it's a once-off investment, it's not a regular payment. So A 45, P 15, I 0.0075 to the power N. So we substitute the values. There is 15,000 times that, so to get rid of it, divide 45 divided by 15 would give me 3. 1 plus 0.0075 to the power N. Now I cannot make the bases the same to solve for N, therefore I introduce log. So this side I write log 3, that side log 1,0075, and n can be moved to the front of log. So therefore becomes n log 1,0075. So n then is log 3 divided by log 1,0075 gives me n equal 147,03 months. If we divide this by 12, we get 12,25 years. Can also, if you remember from inverse functions, write the straight in log format. So n and 3 swap places. N goes there, 3 goes there, and my base stays my base, 1,0075. Punch that in my calculator, and I'll also get 147,03 months. Right? So most learners find this easier. But yeah, some of you prefer doing it that way. Either way, you'll end up with the same answer. Let's look at the second problem. Alright, Braden Gowden invests 26,000 Rand at 8.5% interest compounded monthly. How long does it take him to save up to 39,000? So P is 26,000, A 39,000, N is what I'm looking for. Interest 0.085 compounded monthly, therefore divided by 12, 0.0071. It's investing, so again A equal P, 1 plus I to the power N. Substitute in A 39,000, P 26,000, I 0.071, and N is what I'm looking for. Alright, 39 divided by 26 gives me 1.5. 1 plus 0.071 gives me 1.0071 to the power N. So again, log 1.5. I can't make the bases the same. So then I have to use log to solve it. Log 1.5 equal, N goes to the front, and log 1.0071. Log 1.5 divided by log 1.0071, and N gives me 57.31 months. Divided by 12 gives me 4.78 years. Or swap n and 1.5, n equal log, my base stays the same, 1.071, and 1.5 goes to the other side. Punch in my calculator and I get n equal 57.31 months, which also equal 4.78 years. So hope you follow. That's the easier variation. Let's look at one reducing balance. Alright, number 3, how long does a car take to depreciate to half its value? Reducing balance method at 26% per annum compounded monthly costs 350,000. So presently the car costs 350,000. Half the price of that, 350 divided by 2 gives me 175,000. Looking for N, my interest, 26% divided by 100 will give me 0.26. Compounded monthly, so divided by 12 gives me 0.02167, or 216666 going all the way on. So it depreciates, so A equal P, 1 minus I to the power n. A is 175,000, P 350. My interest 0,02167. 175 divided by 350 would give me half, or 0,5. 1 minus that gives me 0,9783 to the power n. Right, because I can't make the bases the same, introduce log on both sides, so I say log 0,5, log 0,9783, and then I move n to the front. So log 0,5 divided by log 0,9783, n then equal 31,60 months, or 2,63 years. Writing it straight in log format, n comes to this side, log 0,9783, the base stays the same, and 0,5 other side. Punch in the calculator, I also get 31,60 months. So in general, please note, a car is not an investment. No? Most cars depreciate at the rate of 15 to 20% per year. The rate of depreciation decreases as the car gets older. Car will generally be worth half of what you paid for it after owning it for 5 years. So some of you guys go out of your way to buy a car for R1,000,000, and in 5 years' time your car has lost 500,000 Rand in value. So that's 500,000 you've lost in investment. Car's purpose is to take you from A to B. So rather invest in property first before you start investing in your cars, unless you invest in your classic cars or your cars that will appreciate in value. There are some of them, collector's items. Right, let's look at the last problem. Right, how long must 1,000 Rand per quarter be invested at 9,75% per annum, compounded quarterly to grow to 40,000? So my future value is 40,000. X is 1,000 Rand because I'm paying every quarter. N is what I'm looking for. My interest, 9,75 divided by 100, 0,0975. Compounded quarterly divided by 4 gives me 0,024375. Because I'm making regular payments, I'm going to use F equal X, 1 plus I to the power n minus 1 over I. F is 40,000, X 1,000, I 0,024375 to the power n minus 1. There the interest the same. 40 times this, the denominator would give me 975. And then I'm left with 1,000, 1 plus minus 1. Right, if we simplify, 975 divided by 1,000, 0,975, and if I take minus 1 over, becomes plus 1, 1,975, and I'm left with 1,024375. Introduce log on both sides because we can't make the bases the same. So log 1,975, n log 1,024375, log 1975 divided by log 1,024375. N gives me 28,26 quarters. Divided by 4, it will take 7,06 years for my money to grow to 40,000. So hope you follow and understand. If you enjoy the lesson, please like, share, and subscribe. Wish you nothing but the best. God bless. Bye.